If you want to know how to download itch.io games on Mac, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step so you can find the game, download it, extract the files, and get it running on your Mac as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the itchio.io website. Once you're on the site, use the search bar to look for the game you want to download. You can type in the game title directly or browse through categories if you're still deciding what to play. When you find the game, click on it to open the game's page. On the game page, look for the Download Now button. This is usually the main button you'll need to start the download process. Go ahead and click Download Now. In some cases, a pop-up may appear asking if you want to leave a tip for the creator. If that happens, don't worry. You can simply click "No thanks, just take me to the downloads." That will take you straight to the download files without needing to pay anything. Next, click the download button for the file you want. Depending on the game, you may see one or more download options, so choose the version that works best for your device or the file type provided by the creator. Once you click download, the file should begin saving to your Mac. After the download finishes, go to your downloads folder and locate the file. If the file is compressed, right-click it and select Extract All. This will unpack the contents so you can access the game files inside. After extraction is complete, open the extracted folder and look for the game file. Now here's an important note. If the file you downloaded includes a Windows executable like Game.exe, that file is made for Windows and usually won't run natively on Mac. On a Mac, you'll typically need a Mac-compatible version of the game, such as an app file or a version specifically labeled for Mac OS. So if you see Game.exe, double-check whether the creator also provided a Mac build or another compatible download option. If there is a Mac version available, open that version instead and follow any on-screen instructions to launch the game. If the game requires extra setup, the developer may include instructions in the download page or a readme file inside the folder. Always check those details first so you know exactly how to run the game properly on your system. That's the basic process for downloading itch.io games on Mac. Find the game, click download now, skip the tip if needed, download the file, extract it, and then open the correct Mac-compatible version of the game. It's a simple process once you know where everything is. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to run Windows itch.io games on Mac using the right tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.